We are going to work in vocational training centers, in the local employment agency of home, in the Metal Industry Business Federation, in FEMETAL, and in the CTIC Technological Center. Our idea is to try to spread the importance of the attract young people to work in the metal industry.
Yeah, the challenge is we must give new contents for the professional education job profiles. We must have more attractive for the young people, the development in these situations. New contents, new job profiles with the parts from production process management, with security and measuring systems, with CNC, and we profile new qualification systems for new for better attractive for the young people.
Well, the teachers must know, in order to collaborate with companies, must know and must understand, first of all, the business model of the companies, so the fact that the companies have certain constraints to respect and certain objectives and work in a certain environment. Second, the teachers must be updating their preparation about the actual technologies and the real advancement that the companies use for their business in order to cope with the recent activity and the up-to-date activity. And finally, teachers must understand that companies want results in the short term, and so they must focus on providing objective during this collaboration with the companies.
El entorno de los jóvenes influye decisivamente en la elección de la carrera profesional, sobre todo el entorno virtual, a las redes sociales. Los jóvenes hoy en día están muy pegados a las redes sociales y todo lo que ven en ellas les influye en la carrera profesional que van a elegir. Cuando se hacen mayores, el entorno físico en el que se mueven sí que les puede influir porque pueden ver las necesidades laborales que hay, pero cuando son más jóvenes, fundamentalmente es el entorno de las redes sociales el que determina la elección de la carrera profesional.
I think three main things are important. First thing is that companies need to offer very attractive and interesting, challenging work conditions and work contents, what people are going to do. And second thing is support to young talents, support especially in continuing professional development and adjustment to their new work tasks, new skills needs. And the third thing is, of course, a good psychological and friendly environment of work and ability to combine work and personal life.
Between workers and the companies is to answer the employees' needs. I think it's very important that employers will ask their employees what do they need to feel good within the company, what do they need to feel comfortable within their company.
Of the partners' working conditions, because we put methods together, examples of good practice. And at the end I would also, I have to recognize more rich and clearer about where we can go with these partners within the next years, and that is really, really helpful.